All our devices use capacitive touch sensors. The speed levels for the fan can be regulated to what you like by simply clicking on the minus or the plus symbol to go up or down by 5 levels. With the exact same ease that we use touchscreens on our mobile phones and iPads, these smart switches too are very responsive to a light feather-like touch. The IR remote comes with master on and master off options, so you can turn everything on or off with just one simple click. Although every device comes with its very own remote control, here we see two different modules being controlled by the same remote. With 9 buttons, 2 fan regulators, apart from the master controls, they work well from a distance of up to 7 meters and are easy to configure. Enjoy absolute comfort at your fingertips. Once you've downloaded this app, add devices and configure your smart switches in less than 5 minutes. You can now add as many devices as you please, group your devices, create multiple groups or rooms, and name and rename rooms as you go along. You are now ready to control your lights, geysers, ACs and fans from anywhere in the world. Master on and master off options are also available just like on the remote. Set a time for when you want your devices to turn on or off using our special scheduling feature, which works just like an alarm system. You can set up n number of schedules as well as timelines. We also provide an over-the-air update. Your phone will receive regular notifications for any software updates, ensuring that all your smart switches are always up to date and constantly being improved. Besides the added benefit of safety, the scheduling and other Wi-Fi enabled features really simplify your daily routines along with saving both energy as well as time. Another beautiful feature of our devices is the voice control option. Integrate your switches so that they operate on Amazon Alexa or Google. Alexa, turn on work area. Alexa, turn off work area. Hey Google, turn on everything.
Alright, turning 31 things on.
Hey Google, turn off everything.
Alright, turning 31 things off.
Sit back, relax, and be in charge.